Is this dogs? Yes, they're trying to push dogs. Dogs by the one-man army take out dogs. We've seen a lot of squad wipes from him. Look at this. And imagine, like he's not playing. Yeah, look at that. Imagine he's not playing his normal like 20, 30, 40 ms because we are playing Asia. Docs Gaming is still in this game. 8 kills. You can see both of them. That is just to test out Milo, 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 Milo. 10 kills to Docs Gaming. Hey. Queen is down. Queen is down by Docs Gaming. Docs Gaming 13 kills right now. Will he take out the whole map? I don't know. Yo, Docs over to the other side. Took out another one. 1v1v1. 1v1. Wait. Are you kidding me? This fella 15 kills. 15 kills. I have nothing to say.